Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy and low miles. Features also include keyless entry, premium sound system, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2013 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, power passenger seat, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, moonroof, air conditioning, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, floor mats, cruise control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.